Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to go underneath my kitchen sink. And let me tell you, it's been a long time and it is in desperate need of some TLC. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to use a whole bunch of Dollar Tree bins that I bought. I bought a few different types. So we're just going to work with them and see what works best for under the sink with my stuff. And that's what we're gonna do. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also please subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you. I do post new videos every week, so you will see a lot of different things going on my channel. So please check that out and check out the other videos as well. They will be linked up above. And other than that, let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so here it is. This is what I am dealing with right now. It is overflowing full of products that I don't even know what I have anymore. So we are definitely going to get this all figured out and organized. So let's go. So first thing I'm going to do is just take everything out of here so I can start with a clean slate. This will help to see what I have and what I need to get rid of. So as you can see, this is everything outside of the cabinet, and I have a lot to go through and just decide what I need to keep and what I don't. So I'm going to be using these white containers from the dollar store. These are great for bottles. And then I'm going to be using this white rack from the dollar store as well to stack things because I don't have a lot of space. As you can see in the back there, I have a lot of plumbing and the disposal that just takes up so much space. So I'm going to put one of those dollar bin containers on the top with things that I use on a daily basis. So I'm going to use this shoe container to hold like the small things like SOS pads and dry erasers. That way they don't get lost inside the cabinet, because I cannot tell you how many times I lost these little things inside this cabinet and thought I didn't have any. So I definitely think this is the best way, just so you know exactly what you have and what you don't have. And another thing I got from the dollar store are these hooks, and I actually really like them. They seem to be very strong and they hold up very well. So I have a lot going on under here, and I am going to just show you. In the back there, I have a lot of products that I do not use on a daily basis. So I just threw those back there in one of these bins. And then I also have this bin here with, you know, a couple more products that I use maybe like weekly, but not an everyday kind of a thing. I did buy this paper towel holder instead of the one that I had on the floor of the cabinet, just because it took up a lot of space. And that way I'm utilizing as many spots in this cabinet as I can. I did buy one of these racks as well from the dollar store. And I bought this tin here, and this is just to put like all of my magic erasers and SOS pads and just some little extra sponges and stuff that I don't need right now, but I do plan on using them. And then on the above here, I just have all my Clorox wipes and my dishwasher tabs. Those are things I grab daily, so I need those up in the front to always grab them. And then here is the tin that I bought from Target. If you see my Target haul, this was in the dollar section, which was an awesome buy for $5. So I'm really loving this tin. I put all of the cleaning products in here that I use every single day. So I just grab this tin if I want to take it upstairs or wherever I'm going with it. to use the cleaning products. And then I put this up here instead, just because it's, you know, utilizing as much space as I can again. And then I put, of course, my little slapper and my little sponge brush for cups and stuff on the door, just so everything is easy to grab when I need them. And I am so excited to try this out and just use everything now because it's been such a mess for so long. So that's what we're working with, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some ideas how to utilize your space. Like I said, I didn't have a lot of space to work with, you know, the disposal and all the plumbing. There's just hardly any space. So I did the best that I could for now to organize it. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please subscribe. I would love to have you. And give this a thumbs up if it gave you some inspiration and ideas for under your sink. I would really appreciate it. And other than that, I guess that'll be it. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.